Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Abscissa. 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 Abscissa is a noun in mathematics that refers to the horizontal coordinate or axis on a graph. It is often used in the context of plotting points or representing numerical values along the x-axis of a graph. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In a Cartesian coordinate system, the abscissa represents the x-coordinate of a point. Why abscissa use in example number 1? Abscissa is used to explain the role of the horizontal axis in a Cartesian coordinate system, where it represents the x-coordinate of a point. Example number 2. Data scientists use abscissas and ordinates to visualize patterns and trends in data. Why abscissa use in example number 2? Abscissas are mentioned in the context of data visualization, highlighting their role in representing data points along the horizontal axis. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.